Alright guys, here comes the Union Pacific. I think this is the ICBOA train. This train will be stopping because 745 will be passing by. Amtrak Capitol Corridor 745. Engine number is 8628 and 8371. And this Union Pacific ICBOA train, I think it will be stopping, or I don't know, because Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 745 will be passing by next to it. I think it's still going. I don't think it's stopping. It will not be stopping. I think it's still going. Or if you hear the hiss sound, it means they apply the brakes. Yeah, I think this train is stopping because the Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 745 will be passing on the other side of the track next to it. And because once it gets nearby the rail crossing in Richmond, it switches tracks. That's why this train will stop. This train will eventually be stopping momentarily. And there's an engine in the rear. Yep, this train is slowing down. There's an engine in the rear. I think I should read the number of it. And it is 5361. Yep, it's stopping. Yep. It's slowing down and will be stopping because the Amtrak train is passing by. It's coming next to it, and it will be switching tracks once if it gets all the way up to the front of it. Yep, it sounds like it's stopping. All right, this will be a commercial break. So we will be back in a second.